Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find standard deviation in Excel. So open an Excel sheet and let's say you want to have this standard deviation in this column, in this box, and of this salary column. So what you have to do is go to insert option and go to the formulas option and go to this insert function option, and here you can see um, you would be find yep, here is an option. You can see STDEV, just it's stand for the standard deviation. Click on OK and it asks um, from which column, from which box to which box, or which column to which column you want to have this standard deviation. So it's from C2 to C7, C6, sorry. So yep, just click on the OK button. Here you can see you have got the standard deviation. So this is how you can find out the standard deviation of some data. It's just so simple with Excel. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more videos like this. Bye bye for today.